Let's talk about the XDP Fuel Tank Sump. This sump is built for anyone looking to run an aftermarket lift pump with a sleek, unrestricted fuel supply straight from the bottom of the tank. Inside the box, you'll find the billet aluminum fuel tank sump, the inner ring, O-ring seal, mounting hardware, and a half-inch MPT barbed fitting. This sump is designed for half-inch hoses, which works with many aftermarket lift pumps, making it an excellent choice for custom fuel systems. The XDP Fuel Tank Sump features a simple one-hole design. Instead of cutting multiple holes or drilling additional bolt patterns, this setup only requires a single opening in the fuel tank. The inner ring is designed to allow for a no tank drop installation, meaning you can install this sump from underneath the truck without removing the fuel tank. The 2-bolt clamping design keeps installation simple while maintaining even pressure across the sealing surface. If you're building a custom fuel system and want a clean, high-flow sump with a straightforward installation, the XDP one-hole fuel tank sump gives you a simple way to supply your lift pump.